Welcome to the second part of today's lesson, where we'll be continuing our sentence structures. Again, we'll be looking at Jigsaw sentences number 6. As always, we need to understand the words that we need to use before we can understand what we need to do for Jigsaw sentences. So first, let's look at our vocabulary, the words that we will learn and use for today's sentences. Our first word is nice and easy, and we've done it many times before, so you should know it well. Birthday. Your birthday is the day that you are born. We have a party every year on the same day to remember it. When is your birthday party? It is today. So boys and girls, let's practice saying it quickly. Birthday. Remember, 2 syllables sounded nicely. Birthday. A little bit faster. Birthday. Great work. Let's keep going. Our next word, blow. When we blow, we put our lips together and we push air out as strong as we can. Can you blow out all the candles on your birthday cake? Let's practice saying it. Blow. 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 Easy. Let's keep going. The next word we have is a little bit trickier, and you'll learn more about them in grade 3. The word is called until. It's 2 syllables, listen carefully. Until. Until helps us to understand time. It means that we will start to do something up to a point in time and then stop. It's easier to understand if we read it in the sentence. We will write sentences until English class is over at 10:15. It helps us to remember that we will start writing sentences now and that we will stop when class ends at 10:15. We can see the clock is only showing at 10:07 at the moment, which means we'll probably be writing sentences for about 8 minutes. So, one more time, practice saying it out loud. Until. Break it down easily. Till. Then put them together a little bit quicker. Until. Okay, let's go to the next word. The next word, glows. Glow means to give out a steady light without any flame or fire. We add S to the end of the word to help us show that it is happening now. In the picture, we can see the coal glows bright red. If we blow on it, it might glow even brighter. Let's practice saying the word. Glows. Glows. I want to hear this at the end of the word, boys and girls. Glows. Let's practice it in the sentence. The coal glows bright red. Nice work. Almost finished. 2 more. Let's keep going. Our next word can be a little bit tricky as well, so listen carefully to the explanation. Let's. Let's. This is not like the word we just did before, like glows, where we add S to the end of the word. This word has something special in it. Can you see what it is? It's almost like a comma, but it's at the top of the word. Remember, a comma goes at the bottom. So L-E-T. This thing is called an apostrophe, then the letter S. Don't worry too much about it. You'll learn about apostrophes in grade 1. So let's talk about the meaning. The word let's is short for let us. The apostrophe shows us that a letter is missing. Okay, we do this when we are speaking to make it easier. So when you are talking about you and someone else being allowed to do something. Let us go to the market. Let's go to the market. The meaning stays the same, we just make the letters shorter so it's easier to say. Let us go to the market. Let's go to the market. Let's practice saying it out loud. See, Teacher David's using it already. Let's practice. You've probably heard him use it 100 times by now. Let's say it out loud. Let's. Let's. Let's go to the market. Good work. Let's go to the trickiest one for today. Our last one you've probably heard before, New Year's Eve. New Year's Eve. Okay, so this breaks up into 3 words that we should understand on their own. New, not old, it's new. We've done this last week. Year, you know, each year you're alive, you get 1 year older. And Eve we did back with the E words. It means at nighttime. Okay, New Year's Eve is the last day of the year using the Western calendar. It is the 31st of December. What happens after the 31st of December? It changes back to the 1st of January and we start a new year. Now it's where it gets tricky, boys and girls. It is the name of a holiday. And remember, names must always have a capital letter. For example, David, Sophia, Aeon Mall, or Lucky Supermarket. The first letters all have capitals. Remember, so New Year's Eve happens on the 31st of December. The evening, like Christmas Eve that happens before, the new year begins. And usually we end it with a countdown going 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Normally, adults will have a party to celebrate and enjoy the starting of the new year. Let's practice saying it out loud. New Year's Eve. Let's go a little bit quicker. New Year's Eve. One last time. New Year's Eve. Can you see the apostrophe in the word years? This one is again a little bit different and it does not show us that something is missing. And this is a type of apostrophe again you'll learn more in grade 1 and grade 2. For now, if we do any sentence writing, just make sure to copy it correctly. Good luck, boys and girls. Alright, boys and girls, that brings us to the end of our first lesson for today. If you're still struggling with some of the words, please rewind the video, listen carefully, and practice saying the words until you get it right. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.